Make delicious coconut butter and fudge at home. Did you know that making your own coconut butter and fudge at home can be both easy and incredibly delicious? Let's find out how. In this video, you'll learn how to create mouth-watering coconut butter and fudge right in your kitchen using just a few simple ingredients. Many people struggle to find healthy yet tasty snacks, so let's get to it. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I start with making the coconut butter. I use unsweetened shredded coconut quite a bit, so it is around 300 or 350 gram, and I blend it on high speed. You need a high-speed blender, a strong blender, powerful blender to do that. Later on I will need 1 cup of melted coconut, so take quite a bit of shredded coconut so you have enough for later. So this is how it turned out. It's nice and creamy. I pour it into a small glass so you can see how it looks, nice and creamy. But I will use almost all of it for the coconut butter fudge. So there you go. Looks almost like whipping cream or so. It looks very delicious. So now here I measured off 1 cup of melted coconut butter. So I just did it so it's still melted and still warm. Here I used 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup. I had honey on hand, so I used honey this time. But with maple syrup, you get a better consistency, I think, because it's more liquidy than my honey. But it doesn't matter, you can use whatever you like. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt, and then I mix it nicely. So now I transfer it over into my 5 by 7 inch glass container. You can use any container you prefer. I have it set with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. And here it looks crumbly, but it will work out really well. So I transfer it over and then I press it down into the container a little bit, so to make it all even and straight. I use first the spatula, but then I use the spoon. It is way easier with the back of the spoon. Just squeeze everything down so it's nice and straight. If you enjoyed the video so far, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me and that helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Then I cover it with the lid and transfer it into the freezer for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes have passed. Here is my fudge and it looks very beautiful to me. So let's transfer it out of the container and take away the paper here. So this is how it looks, and now let's cut it. If it's too hard to frozen to cut, you can just wait a few minutes and then cut it, but it worked out for me here somehow. So I cut it like this into 12 pieces. And now I will show you up close how it looks like. Here you can see it looks very rustic and still beautiful, and it tastes delicious. Coconut butter, I could even eat the coconut butter with a spoon out of the jar. It's so delicious. Or just spread it on bread or something, and this just with some coffee. It's so delicious. Here, very rustic looking coconut butter fudge and very delicious. You should try that. You could even gift it to someone for Valentine's Day or other occasions. Very delicious. And I even have some more chocolate recipes, how you can make them at home. I will link them below. Check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Maybe you want to watch this video next or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.